Welcome to STAT 530, 530G, Applied Statistical Method 1 class. My name is Hyun-Joo Kim, Professor of Statistics at Truman. In this class, we'll introduce a statistical package called R. Using R, we'll study common statistical analysis, including linear regression and analysis of variance. You can contact me via email or phone. My email address is hjkim@truman.edu, and my phone number is 660-785-4693. Email probably is the best way to contact me in general. If you are in Kirksville, you're welcome to stop by my office, Violet Hall 2248. This is a synchronous online class, and all the material will be available on Blackboard. We'll have a bi-weekly Zoom meeting on Tuesday at 6 to 7 p.m. Please check the meeting dates listed on syllabus. Zoom link is also available on syllabus. This is an optional but important meeting to build a learning community. You are strongly encouraged to be a part of this community. I will be available via Zoom or in person before and after our Zoom meeting and other office hours listed on syllabus. We can also arrange the meeting time if my office hours don't work with your schedule. Please shoot me a quick email if you want to talk to me. Of course, you can email me your questions anytime. I'll find the answer and get back to you as soon as possible. There is no required textbook. I listed a couple of reference books on syllabus. If you are a person who would learn well reading a book, you might find those books helpful. STAT 530, 530G will have 8 modules. In the first 2 modules, we will introduce R and do a quick review on basic statistics concept using R. In module 3 to 5, we will talk about regression analysis. And module 6 and 7, we'll talk about ANOVA and a little bit of experimental design topics. The module 8 is more of a written paper applying what we learned in the class to the real data. Each module typically includes introduction of the module, a series of short lectures, assignment, and discussion. Some modules also include some additional content. Your grade will be determined by assignments and discussions. Each assignment will be 100 points and discussion will be 30 points. You can find the detailed grading rubrics for the discussion in the syllabus. Syllabus include detailed information of the class. Please read it carefully and bring your questions to the first Zoom meeting on Tuesday. Although I can be flexible when you have an extraordinary situation and need an extension, I strongly recommend you keep up with the class schedule. 1 module for every 2 weeks may be a reasonable goal, and due dates are listed on the syllabus pretty much every other Tuesday nights. Truman policy and federal regulations require that students demonstrate that they are academically engaged in the course they take. We call this substantive interaction requirement. For the purpose of this class, you need to introduce yourself in the discussion board by the end of the first week to stay in the class. If there is any issue with doing so, please talk to me as soon as possible. I am excited to teach this Applied Statistical Method 1 course and hope we all have a great learning experience.